Inaasahang iimbestigahan na rin ng Kamara ang issue tungkol sa nawawalang mga sabungero sa pagbabalik ng House Quad Committee ngayong 20th Congress. Yan ang ulat ni Melales Moras.
Kinumpirma ni Manila 6th District Representative Bienvenido Abante Jr. na muli nilang bubuuin ang House Quad Committee ngayong 20th Congress. Ayon kay Abante, isa sa kanilang mga bagong tatalakayin ang issue ukol sa mga nawawalang sabungero.
That will be covered, no? In fact, I already have talked with some of the would-be members of the Quadcom na palagay ko makakasama ito sapagkat that is another issue as far as the extrajudicial killing is concerned, no? The fact that more than 100 sabongeros, whether it be they cheated or not, but they were not given due process, ay bigla na lang pinatay at nawala. So, palagay ko, Congress has to tackle on that also.
Sa ngayon, isa sa pinalpa ng mga kongresista ang magiging takbo ng kanilang mga pagdinig. Pero may pasilip na si Abante kung sino-sino ang kanilang mga posibleng ipatawag.
Well, papaimbita po namin, for example, like yung whistleblower nila o yung magiging witness, si Totoy. Well, definitely we're going to invite him. Like Atong Ang, should be also invited. And of course, the Philippine National Police who investigated some of the policemen right now.
Bukod naman dito, posible ring matalakay ng Quadcom ang mga issue ukol sa online gambling.
In fact, I would be filing a total ban on online gambling. Pangalawa, even amending PAGCOR as far as PAGCOR having the authority to give franchises and licenses to online gambling. Pangatlo, yung bang bill that are prohibiting online gambling advertisements.
Melales Moras para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.